Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this short tutorial on how to access GCSEPod. Please be reminded that GCSEPod is available for all of our learners from grade 8 to grade 11. The application is available for mobile phones as well as on the iPad. In addition, they can access the website from any browser on any device. So we start with the username. The username will be the same as the WA number of the learner on Canvas. So for example, if I log in here for the user with WA number 289, then the password is going to be Waad. For all learners, it's going to be the same, Waad, WAAD 2020. I'm able to access all the content which is available. If you click on the top left corner, the blue box with 3 dashes, you can see that at the bottom we have the name of the learner, Abdul Aziz and Musaid in this case, for example. They can access all of their pods, all of the playlists which the teachers share with them, and they can go to all of their assignments. They will be practicing more on those assignments with their teachers throughout the school year.